To cast screen to TV using Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you have to go into the more connectivity options and go for cast. And right here you have to turn on the cast function first, and also make sure that you have this cast function turned on TV. You need to turn on this both on the phone and TV. And yeah, from here you have to turn on Wi-Fi and location services to be able to use the casting. So let's turn on the Wi-Fi and location. And here we also have to turn off the dual band Wi-Fi speed boost. So this means that the casting doesn't work if you are having this dual band Wi-Fi speed boost turned on. So let's turn it off right now. And from here, if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, you'll be able to find your device right here in this list, just like this. And from here you have to just tap on it, or as you can see, something has been found. You have to just simply tap on this device, and from here you will be able to be connected. You will be connected and you will be able to cast screen. And in case you have problems with the screencasting with connecting your device, here you have this help tab right here. As you press on this one, here you have the instructions of how to actually do this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.